Okay guys, so I was a little bored this evening. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a little bit of a dissection of a 12 gauge shotgun round. Even some people who may have shot them might not know exactly what the contents are. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at these and cut them apart. So here we have basically, I believe they're 2 3/4. This one here is a Federal. This one here is a Challenger. You can get various different sizes and different shots, or you can get slugs, sabot slugs, rifled slugs, all kinds of different things. So we're going to go ahead and cut this one open here today. Set this one aside. So first you'll want to see here, this is the casing itself of the shell, and down here you can see right there, that's your primer. So the firing pin will hit that and ignite the primer, which ignites the gunpowder inside, which causes an explosion, and obviously is the propellant for the shot inside the round itself. So go ahead and cut this. So here we go, guys. This is the first little bit here. Let's get that plastic off there. This is the actual pellets themselves. Now this is I can't remember. I believe these are steel shot. You can see as you roll them out here. You know, basically this is it. This is what you'd use for duck hunting or for various different types of birds or waterfowl, all kinds of stuff, and they make a mess, as you guys can see. So here we are, guys. This is what's left now without the shot in it. If you pull this out, this here is the wad itself, and the shot cap, I believe it's called. I can't exactly remember, don't quote me on that here. But you will see this fly out a lot of the time when you're shooting your round. This will go right out along with everything else, and this also keeps the gunpowder down into the bottom. As you can see here, we have the gunpowder in the bottom. So I'll go ahead and I'll cut this down a little more and show you guys. So as we can see here, guys, this is basically the propellant. This is what makes it all go. And I mean, you can burn this and whatnot, and it's really, it's very lackluster. It's you might get a little bit of a poof or a little bit of fire, but that's the most of it. You won't get much else, and unless it's actually in a chamber where the pressures can be used to actually propel something. Just take a look at this here. So it's down in the bottom. You can see that's the primer itself in there. So a little tiny piece gets hit with the firing pin and causes a miniature little explosion in there and ignites all of that. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. From this here, this is the full thing, to that, the wad, all the powder, your little BBs. Pretty straightforward. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.